Choosing the right ERP system can feel like navigating a minefield, so let's detonate the confusion and compare Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Odoo head-to-head to see which one emerges victorious. First, let's talk about scalability. Dynamics 365 excels at serving large enterprises with complex operations, offering robust modules that can be easily customized. Odoo, on the other hand, is great for startups and small to medium-sized businesses, thanks to its modular approach and readily available apps, allowing businesses to start small and add features as they grow. Now, let's discuss user interface. Dynamics 365 offers a clean, Microsoft-esque interface, which seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft products like Office 365 and Power BI. Odoo has a more modern and intuitive interface that is known for its ease of use and visual appeal, with a high degree of customizability through themes and extensions. Let's talk pricing. Dynamics 365 typically has higher upfront and ongoing costs due to its licensing structure and implementation complexity. Odoo offers a more flexible and affordable pricing model, especially with its open-source community edition, but be sure to factor in implementation costs if you opt for a more tailored solution. Ultimately, the best ERP depends on your specific business needs, budget, and long-term goals. Weigh the pros and cons of each carefully to make an informed decision and pave the way for growth.